This chapter is about tips dialog box. Select beam lights. Press locate light up fixture. Click tips dialog box in the lower right corner. Wing, block, group. These functions can quickly group in fixtures. Let's look at wing. First, change wing value to 2. Click group button. The order of the lines becomes mirror symmetry. Sorting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Close this interface. Let's change wing value to 0. Let's look at group. Change group value to 2. Click group button. Fix the sorting 1 to 1 to 1 2. Let's click to use the fan shape effect. Close tips dialog box interface. Rotating ruler to adjust pan position. Every 2 fixtures will converge together. Press locate button. Click tips dialog box. Let's set 5 fixtures for a line group X. Press group button. Fix the sorting 1 to 3 for 5, 1 to 3 for 5. We're using this convergent mode fan shape effect. Rotating ruler to adjust pan position. Every 5 fixtures will converge together. Press locate button. Click tips dialog box. Let's click reset to reset the wing group block values first. Let's take a look at the block X. Change the block X value to 2. Press group button. Fix the sorting 1 1, 2 2, 3 3, 4 4, 5 5. Let's change the block X value to 5. Press group button. It becomes 5 1s and 5 2s. Let's use in the left-right symmetric fan shape effect. Rotate ruler to adjust pan position. Fixtures divided into 2 parts. Click tips dialog box. Click reset to reset the wing block group values. Let's take a look at tricks filter. Click plus icon and turn it into strange mode, odd number. It will automatically select the odd number fixtures. Click color attribute. Modify the color of the odd number fixtures. Click tips dialog box. Click plus icon and turn it into even number mode. It will automatically select the even number fixture. Filter out the odd number fixtures. Click color attribute. Change the even number fixture to orange color. This function can quickly adjust the color or position of adjacent fixtures. The above content is about how to use the tips dialog box.